Alright, so in the last video we created our graph up to this point by graphing just this portion of it. Now we need to go ahead and we need to graph the second portion. So we're going to go back to our calculator and put in 2x minus 1, but we're only going to pay attention to the x's greater than or equal to 1. So let me pull up my calculator here. I'm going to go back to the y equals and clear off what we have. And I'm going to graph 2x minus 1. And then let's go ahead and do a zoom 6 so we can get the picture of that. So this is what 2x minus 1 looks like. But remember, we're only interested in the parts for the x's greater than or equal to 1. An x value of 1 would be right here. So we're only interested in the x's greater than that or to the right. We're not even going to worry about the ones to the left. But let's find some good points. So when x is 1, we're at the point 1, 1. What about 2? That's the point 2, 3. And if I have an x value of 3, that's the point 3, 5. So that gives me 3 nice points to be able to graph that on my graph here. That would be the point 1, 1. So now we can color in that spot that we had previously left open. We had the point 2, 3. And then we had the point 3, 5. So that portion of the graph, the 2x minus 1, looks like that. Now in graphing that portion of it, it's not crossing the x-axis or the y-axis, so there are no more intercepts in this graph. Now we're ready for our last part, part D, which is our range. And our range, remember, is our y values, or starting at the bottom and going all the way up to the top. So if we start here at the bottom and we move up, the first place that I encounter a y value is right here at this y value of 1. And then they continue to go up from there. So that tells us that our range starts at 1 and goes all the way to infinity. Now the 1 is actually an included y value, so that gets a bracket.